Good day everyone, I am Kai Xian, number metric 279747 from Group 8.
A very good day. My name is Tung Sue Chin, metric number 279801.
My name is Qian Yee and my metric number is 278080. The course that I'm taking is Human Resource Management.
A very good day to everyone. My name is Gan Zi Ling with matrix number 278330 and my major course is Human Resource Management.
Hello everyone, I'm Serena Tang with matric number 278367. I'm a student studying Human Resource Management Year 2 Sem 1.
I will start the presentation with the introduction. Video presentation is a demonstration program used to prepare and provide a video that students will recording the presentation process. Nowadays, all students must study at home because of the pandemic COVID-19. Since teacher is unable to face-to-face classes with teachers or lecturers, video is often to use in classwork or assessment, especially for university students. For example, video presentation is an important part of assignment for them. After they have completed an assignment, they need to record a presentation video and submit it to the lecturer. Briefly explain the content of the assignment to their lecturer. However, it has some problems and challenges to come up with a creative video presentations for students. The student record and edit video according to the requirements of the video presentation, but somehow the videos are not in good quality. For some reasons, it depends on the student's computer camera. This is because of setting problems when recording presentation video, such as lighting problem, backlight problems of ordinary camera, and also blurry. Next is poor sound quality. Also, one of the problems will affect the video presentation quality. For example, microphone problem, there is noise in the background during recording, and also the background music is louder than the voice students during the presentation. This is the most serious problems and mistake that every student will face when produce a video. Lastly is the motion of the student in the video looks choppy and not smooth. And also unwanted shot was recorded have no any knowledge to edit it. Also the problems that the student face when prepare a video presentation. As a result, these problems trigger our idea and make our team wants to implement a training program to train students make the presentation video with more creative and not boring. Therefore, it's important for the university student to enroll or participate in the training program. That's all for me. Thank you.
First, training need assessment is a systematic method for determining what cause performance to be less than expected or required. Training need assessment is essential because it can compare organizational performance gaps (OPG). The actual organizational performance is less than expected organizational performance will occur trigger points to conduct a training need analysis. Through the training need assessment can identify the problems or differences before designing the training program. Based on the article that more than 94% of the student population has been affected by school, institution, and other learning facility closure in this world. According to Dawani in year 2020, the university do not use a face-to-face method to decrease the risk of getting infected by a coronavirus. So it can be seen like it as a trigger point that need to conduct T&A because during the pandemic COVID-19, face-to-face learning in the classroom is transformed into digital learning. Training need assessment is necessary to solve the problem faced by students to produce a quality video presentation and the relevant knowledge, skills, and attitude which call KSA for accomplishing the assessment through online learning. Next is organizational analysis. Since COVID-19 pandemic had affected the education system in the whole wide world, it has provided an opportunity for the higher education system to implement online learning alternatives such as all the assessments are conducted through online learning. We believe that one of the methods to assess the student performance is through a video presentation. This analysis can help align the training with the missions of the new entry university students to make a quality presentation video through e-learning. The trainers may provide the task list or instruction requiring specific description and KSA to the university student, especially semester 1 student, because they do not have the knowledge, skills, and attitude to edit the presentation video. Capital resources such as laptop, like mobile phone, Wi-Fi, data, and Adobe Premiere Pro to edit and produce the video. That equipment is a prerequisite for students to engage with the appropriate training to make a quality presentation video. The most important element is organizational environment such as the team approach is essential for using the equipment to design the video presentation while doing group assessment. Communication, motivation are necessary for teamwork that group members share ideas and contribute together to identify all the assistance and problems in making the video. The teamwork approach will affect the process of editing video presentation and their performance objective. Task analysis is identifying the knowledge, skill, and attitude KSA, and the task required will meet the performance standard through the task analysis. In order to implement practical training and development of professional video presentation, specific KSA requirements and task analysis are essential for the semester 1 student. The task is that students must use the apps and equipment in editing the professional video presentation. The video presentation is the way that lets the student learn and study continuously, also engage in the virtual environment during the pandemic COVID-19. Each of the description and specification can provide the basic information for students and know how to perform the task, because students can understand the concept of editing video and precisely what is the task required. For example, list the duration of the video, decided the variety platform to submit the assignment, emphasize individually or all the group members must be involved in editing video. The elements included in the video provide rubrics and marks and the submission deadline of the video presentation. All of these can develop the training and identification of the KSA necessary.
Now I will present about person assessment, or we can say that person analysis. Person analysis is done in a typical corporation to assess workers at work to see if they have a KSA necessary to perform at the desired level. As a result of person analysis, the corporation may identify which employee should receive training and what type training they should receive. In our case, as a new student, they are seen as a group of people that lack the necessary knowledge, skill, and ability for video editing. That is why we create this program with the purpose in mind, which is to provide this student with KSA of video editing, so that may enhance their KSA in process and increase efficiency. So next, we will go through the prerequisites which comprise KSA that students should possess. The first one is talking about knowledge, such as the fundamental of video editing. Know what is it the video editing, for example. They may learn more from our instructions if they understand why, since they understand the direction and reason for studying this purpose. The second knowledge is English language. This is because the software we use to training is in the English language. In addition, it can help to speed up the production process when editing the video. Next is about skill that needed by students before enter the training program, which is include the reading comprehension. This is because it can help the student to be able to understand the writing sentences and paragraph in the relevant document, which is provided by the lecturer, particularly the assessment guideline. The another skill is communication ability. This is because it can help students to convey their idea, feeling, attitude to each other. The last one is talking about the attitude. A positive and upbeat attitude is necessarily needed by students, is also necessary component of success when doing anything they want to do. For the method user interface, we conduct to use technology-based learning and video of films training. In 21st century, with the development and progress of technology, computer-based training (CBT), or we can say that e-learning training has become more common. It typically imitates traditional classroom instruction by delivering voice cover with music, visual, animation, and all video for trainees to watch and listen to. This is better than the presenting rigid word to the trainees, which make a deeper impact and hold their attention than the monotonous tests.
Now I'll present the design and development part. First is the objective of our training. At the end of our training program, participants will be able to create presentation video through using up-to-date technology apps, which is Adobe Premiere Pro. Next, trainees will be able to gain the knowledge and technical skills to produce an effective presentation video. Presentation video has carry marks during online course assessment. Hence, students must be skillable in producing attractive video. Apart from that, participants will be able to identify clearly the recording and video editing steps from basic to complicated steps. This class provides students with the chance to enhance and expertise in HD video film production and post-production. For the development, we prepare a step-by-step coaching video, and this is our one-day training timeline. We start from 8:30 a.m., which is giving a short briefing about the training process, and we will have an ice-breaking session during this time. Our training program will go through until 3:15 noon. Furthermore, we also include a few creative and attractive elements in the development, including presentation template and background music. As we know, all humans are visual animals, and we like things which are colorful and creative. Hence, distinctive presentation template design can catch audience eyes and interest. When the slides are eye-catching, audience will be more focusing on the presentation. Background music also an important element we can insert in our presentation video. Background music serves as a link, allows the video to smoothly move between different ideas and situations.
For the implementation of our program, we have assigned into few parts, which are the preparation part and the main part, video editing part. And 5 of us are responsible on our own part, and I will be in charge on the training in finding and downloading the background music. In preparation part is to ready every materials that we need to insert in the video and the preparation during recording the video. Before editing and recording, we need to get ready with a few items, which is the selecting process of PowerPoint template, video opening template, and the background lining, and downloading the background music. And of course, we were giving some suggestion for the trainee. The next part should be the editing part, which is the hardest and the main part of the video. This consists of a few steps from importing the materials, inserting, cutting, until the final exporting, and this step required a lot of patience. In our training, video presentation, explanation, and PowerPoint are our training method, and trainee will be able to watch it repeatedly until they master the skills. Secondly, PowerPoint are commonly used and popular among the university students. And of course, it will bring a lot of convenience to let them understand better. And coming to the last, after watching the video, the trainee can asking the question from us below the comment of the video. That's all from me. Thank you.
I will continue the presentation with the evaluation part. The testing and assessment of training impacts act as trainer in self-evaluation, attitude correction, and ongoing improvement of training quality. At the same time, it can accurately assess the trainer's performance. We may use the Kirkpatrick evaluation models to get the information that we need. We also can use the model to see how the training has updated the students' knowledge and how their work performance has adjusted. The major substance of the preparatory model is reaction, learning, behavior, and result. We will use these 4 levels to evaluate how effectiveness of the training program for the students. First level is reaction. Assess the students' satisfaction. We can determine how effective they receive the instructions by measuring how engaged they were, how actively they contribute, and how they react to it. The second level is learning. To determine the student level of learning achievement, examine the students' learning effects and assess their mastery of knowledge and ability. We will measure what the students have learned by using the Google Form. The next level is behavior. To assess the student's ability to apply his or her knowledge and to determine how well people put the instruction into practice. It can also show areas where they want assistance. The last level is result. To observe if the training meets the expectation of the student or not. This approach will be used to obtain feedback from students. Once the program is complete, we will collect the feedback by using Google Form to ask the question based on these 4 levels. In conclusion, university students will have the ability to create or edit the video presentation. If students create or edit a presentation video using the process and approach in the training, the texture and impression of the video will be better than before. As a result, students can not only increase their group or individual assignment score but also use this talent to work in the future. Therefore, university students should take the opportunity to participate in this training program. That's all from us. Thank you.